G'day guys, welcome to this episode of Jetski's Bigger Garage. So as you guys may recall, I have currently been living in the in-laws place because I sold my old house, and that's why things have been a bit quiet. I haven't had my own shed to be able to do what I want to do in, and did a few things while in the father-in-law's shed, but as you can see behind me, this is pretty much my backyard now because I bought a place, got a couple of acres, and the best part about it is this shed. It is stomping. It's massive. Really struggled to find a place that would suit us perfectly. But yeah, this one's pretty much ticks all the boxes. So I'll show you around a little bit. It's coming in through the front door, like it's just big. Old mate's left his 3-ton hoist block and tackle here. But yeah, it is 9 meters wide and 19 meters long. Mezzanine up the top, even got a shitter in here. I'm still gobsmacked coming in here and just seeing the size of this thing. Definitely a dream shed or garage, but this thing's going to be absolutely perfect for what I want. So really happy that it's got a mezzanine up there, so all my spare parts I can just get out of the way, out of sight, out of mind. Didn't really love having them all along the wall, but when you've got the space that you got, that's all you can do really. So I want to try and transform this into a bit more of a workshop rather than just, a shed with all home stuff and that in it too. So I want, drill press, bench grinder, Jared bought a brake, so we can do some sheet metal folding as well, help with a bit of rust repairs. This is the workshop area. So nice big long bench. I don't know how I'm going to go with keeping a lot of the stuff in it. Yes, it's not bad, but I've done enough time in busted ass sheds out of the houses I've had. Really looking forward to just having something really clean, nice and new, but there's lighting everywhere. He hasn't done too bad of a job. There's power points like up the top here, with some more up the top there, some more over here, at the top of all the benches. It's pretty well set up. We're really looking forward to being able to set up here and get comfortable and start bringing some content. Still got the beamer. A couple of things, speaking of the beamer, there's actually a box of parts just there on that shelf for the beamer. Thought it'll come too, but haven't got the coupe here yet, or a few other things. I've just been trying to move stuff out of my storage unit, and it just reminds me how much crap I've got. Should have really got rid of some more stuff before I moved, but anyway. Definitely way too much junk, but the reason why it's in the carport is nothing's going in here until the floor's painted, benches are set up. Trying to be a bit more realistic. I know that once I start putting stuff in here, it's just never going to get painted, but I want, like I said, clean workshop. Painted floors, probably going to do like a flake finish, get some better LED lighting. I still don't know. I may just take that bench out because a lot of the stuff in here is homemade. Don't get me wrong, it does the job, it's not too bad. Like this racking here, it's solid, sturdy, but once you start looking at things, it's still got the, it's been cut off there, it's rusty, it's just tech screwed, bit of galv there, that's just MDF, board. It does the job, don't get me wrong, but it's not clean, it's not nice. Want nice stuff, nice things now. But shitloads of work to do in here, really. So things will still be a little bit slow, but this is the new home. This is my new home. Really keen, really excited, looking forward to this. But yeah. So I end up hopefully getting a hoist in here as well. I was going to get a hoist at my last place, but I was just holding off because I knew that wasn't my end home. I knew I wanted to get a couple of acres and a bigger shed. So here we are now. Perfect spot to put a hoist in. Plenty of room for cars and all the other activities that we can do in here. So yeah. But what I might do is I might get started with moving some crap up into the mezzanine just to get it out of my carport, because like, Mrs. doesn't even have a park. We've got 2 acres and Mrs. can't even park in the carport. So probably should put some stuff up there and start getting settled in and start getting things a bit organised. But yeah, I hate moving though. Don't move, people. Like, or just, if you're going to buy a house you want forever, because yeah, just anyway, it sucks. It really sucks. Quick look around anyway, and you can see why I wanted this place. First thing, it's got killer grass. Second thing, I got a creek. Number 3, got another shed. Fourth thing, I got a paddock now. Can store as many cars as I want. Of course, number 5, the big shed. And of course, number 6, the house is pretty good too, but for obvious reasons, don't really need to go in there. But yeah, just want to say thank you to everyone for sticking around, being patient while I try and go through these big life changes and finally finding the place that I reckon I'm going to sit down just nicely. This is going to be my forever home. Yeah, definitely don't want to go through moving again. Plenty of junk in the shed to have to go through, and yeah, it's crap. Anyway, so soon lots more stuff will be coming. I'll get the Beamer back here. F-Truck will come back. Coupe's still not even here yet. Yeah, lots more to come. So thank you very much again. Keep watching and we'll catch you next time. Catch ya.